Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to archive a Google Classroom easily. Archiving is useful if your class is finished, but you want to keep all materials and assignments for future reference in Google Classroom. First of all, open up Google Classroom on your device and then sign in with your Google account credential. Now select the class from the list of class options. And once you have your class on the dashboard, once you're inside the dashboard, go ahead and from the home page of your Google Classroom, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. Now select Classes from the menu. Now choose your classroom you'd like to archive and tap the 3 dots right next to your class. In the pop-up, click on Archive. Click on Archive once again in the pop-up, and then your class will be hidden from the dashboard. Now your class has been archived. If you ever want to access the archived classes, you can go back to the menu button at the top left and click on Archived Classes. Now choose the class you'd like to unarchive and tap the 3 dots right next to it and click on Restore. Click Restore once again and repeat the step for every other class you'd like to restore to the dashboard. Soon after you do that, you will be able to archive and unarchive your classroom on Google Classroom. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.